Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Vikas Navneet drawing and coloring book class first page number second. Okay. There is a one drawing is given actually divided in two part. One part actually one example is given how to paint and how to draw the lines. All instruction are given. Okay. On page number second, as you can see on worksheet, I am going to solve it. Some parts of design or drawing is not completed, which we are going to complete it now. Okay, for this take one pencil, regular pencil you can take, and try to draw the same drawing, because you can see the drawing is same but some lines are not there. Okay, you can draw as per your imagination. As soon as you have visible to it, that you can draw. Then after, you can see the horizontal and vertical lines texture is there for make a wall, to create a wall. Okay, the horizontal line is long and a short line is a vertical. When you drawing, make it understand that between where is a line is there of horizontal or vertical, in between that line you have to draw the new one to make a texture of wall. Okay, now afterwards I am going to use one permanent marker there, black color, to make border there. Okay, afterwards you can, if you want to use, you can use sketch pen also. Like this, one by one I am going to do border to each and every part. As you can see in drawing, only gray colors line is given there, it's not visible properly. That's why I am going to draw the all border part. I'm going to do border, as you can see. Okay, draw like this. When you using a crayons or something, if you have a sketch pen, use before coloring you have to do border, because afterwards when you after painting or after coloring by crayons, you are not able to do perfect border. That's why before coloring, when using a crayons color or oil pastel, that time you have to use first do border and then do coloring. Okay, like this, one by one make a texture of wall, do border for every part. See that in between I am going to draw the lines to make a texture of wall. Downside grass is there, make some zigzag line, and some flowers is there, indicate some flower is there. This also I am going to use to draw. Now I am taking a oil pastel of domes color. You can take any type of if you have, but domes color having a bright colors, that's why I am using that color. Okay, like this, try to do the same coloring, but as you can see, this is an print out, that's why its color look like a bright, but when you observe your notebook, it's a light green color is there. See that if you don't having that much shades in your with you, you can try to do like that only. Okay, for example, there is a red color having a two shades, light red and dark red also. You can use a dark red as a red. Okay, you can mix two color together, mix some shades to mix by mixing other color together. I'm going to collect first which color I want to use there, because sometime what will happen, if there are lots of color, we are going to use each and every color, but it's not look good. You have to collect some colors, those are really important in this drawing. Those only I am going to use to paint it. Okay, if you choose any one color, you have to repeat more than 2 to 3 times, try to draw same. But if you don't have that much shades, you can change the color shades also, you have a freedom to change color. Okay, like this, one by one do the border. For first outline part should be paint properly, then you can easily paint inside part. in this book you can see, okay, like this you can do the coloring. In that book some white space is there. If you want to remain that, if you want to maintain that white space, you can maintain it, but here I am going to paint each and every part properly. I am not going to leave any white part on it. Okay, like this you can choose color one by one and paint each and every part properly. Now I am taking a pink color. If you don't have a pink color, you can use a red color and white color together, but when you mixing that color, make that sure both color we have to mix lightly. For example, if you use a red color lightly, don't press too much that chalk or crayons or oil pastel, whatever you have, don't press too much, just lightly you have to give color there. And then after, when you using another color like a white color, when you mixing a light color, that time you can mix it pressing together and mix it well. That time it's look like a proper mixing. Okay, for face here yellow color is there. I'm going to use yellow color to paint the face. If you have a flash tint color, you can use as a skin color there, but in that book there yellow color is there, that's why I'm going to use same color. For face and mouth red color is there. On hand I am using a flash tint. It's like look like a skin color. Okay, sometime we don't able to paint a sharp point or a small part. That time you can use a sketch pen there to paint it sharp. Okay, now with the help of these tools I am going to make it smooth or clean. When using oil pastel, you can see that some rough part is coming on the paper. That time you can use this type of tool to make it smooth and plain. But when you make that, you can see the color look like a little bit light than it, but it's very good. If any white part is remain there, it will be mixed up properly. But take tissue paper or some cloth with you, because sometime what will be happen, the two colors will mix together, it's not looking good. That's why you take a mix color properly, take a tissue paper with you and clean it properly. Okay, I'm going to keep color my, try to keep where this place is there. Okay, now our worksheet of page number 2 is completed. One by one we are going to solve all pages. I'm going to do border of black bold color using, see that only for outside part I'm going to use the border. It's not essential, as per your requirement you can do, or unless skip that step to make sharp border. You can use sketch pen there, or regular watercolor pen or gel pen also you can use to make border there. Okay, after bordering it's look like more better than. Okay, now our worksheet is complete, page number 2. Afterwards we are going to learn next pages. Okay, one by one we are going to solve all pages. After painting it's look like this. Thank you.